Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Here is a very fast update video. Today is March the 5th, and back on March the 4th, I started these seeds off in our first video for this little series here. So this is 4 days later, and you can see that for the amount of seeds that we had spread into the soil, that the amount of germination, the percentage is very low. And this happened to me last summer as well, but with the amount of seeds that I threw into the soil, I had a really good yield because of how many I had thrown in there. So if you have a lot of pods, you know, the little seed packages that you know, fall off the plant, then just use way more than you need, and you're going to get a much better yield. Now there might be a few more that might come up, but I doubt it. But you can see that out of all those seeds, I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, so we put in one pod into this soil, and that's what I got out of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that I can see right now. If there are a few more, maybe they're gonna come in the next couple of days. But anyway, so this is what you should kind of expect at about the 4-day mark on the germination process. So anyway, that's it, a really fast update. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.